Modern technology uses a system of satellites and other receiving devices to compute positions on the Earth. But back in history, maps were made from travelers' and pilgrims' accounts, sometimes on clay tablets. 7th century Muslims soon began to leave their homes for trade and for religious reasons, to perform pilgrimage and explore the world that they lived in. They walked routes, sometimes simply gathering knowledge about new places, and when they returned they gave account of the ways they had trodden and the people and sights they had encountered. First, this was by word of mouth, but with the introduction of paper in Baghdad in the 8th century, the first maps and travel guides could be produced. This desire to explore and to document the surroundings paved the way for the greatest world map of that era, produced by famous 12th century Andalusian cartographer Idrisi. His world map was regarded as the most elaborate and complete description of the world ever made, and was used extensively by travellers for several centuries, contained detailed descriptions of the Christian North, as well as the Islamic world, Africa and the Far East.